What's that there, Thistle? Is that a turtle? Is that a turtle? Hi, little turtle. How you doing? Yeah. You having a good day? Yeah, you'd like to be friends, but I think you might give us a little snip if we get a little too close. Oh, in we go. What is that weird thing, Thistle? Yeah. Yeah, there he goes. Oh, he's just going along. Okay. Oh, are we being loud? Why are we being so loud? Huh? Is it because there's a cool thing on the ground? Alright, let's get going.